An 80-year-old woman was drowned and was swept away by the Umtili River in Hamren on Thursday at around 11 o'clock. Here is a report. The deceased was identified as Lakshmi Das, 80 years, who went to the river Umtili at her backyard to have bath but accidentally slipped and was washed away by the river. It was informed that Lakshmi Das was a senior citizen of Hamren. After losing her husband many years back, she had to sit in a small stall for her livelihood. This tragic incident took place on 30th June around 11 o'clock when Lakshmi Das was left alone at home. Her children, grandchildren and son-in-law went to submit their fingerprints for a ration card. It was at that moment when Lakshmi Das, in absence of her family members, went to the river Umtili at her backyard to have bath but was swept away by the river current. The incident was not known to anyone until her children, grandchildren and son-in-laws were engaged searching upon her absence. After a thorough search, the mortal remains of Lakshmi Das was found at the bank the river with flow current. After a thorough search, the mortal remains of Lakshmi Das was found at the bank of the river with low water current. The neighbors of the deceased appealed the authority to extend some help towards the family of the victim.
অলপ আগতে আমি গম পালোঁ যে এনেকা লক্ষ্মী দাস বুলি এজন বুঢ়ী মানুহ নদীত উটি গৈ মৰি আছিল বুলি ৰাইজে দেখিলে। এতিয়া বুঢ়ীজনীতো কোনো নাই, এতিয়া সৎ কাম কৰিবলৈ বা চৰকাৰৰ ফালৰ পৰা কিবা যদি সহায় কৰিবলগীয়া যদি কিবা ব্যৱস্থা আছে এইটো আমি ৰাইজে বিচাৰিছোঁ।
Daniel in his report from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live.